Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the surface marking, and this is for the lungs and the pleura. So this includes the mid-clavicular, that is in case of the costodiaphragmatic line, that is the inferior border of the pleura. This is the eighth rib in the mid-clavicular line, the costodiaphragmatic line. Next is in the mid-axillary. It includes the 10th rib. Then paraverticular line, the costodiaphragmatic line, it includes, there is the inferior border of the pleura, it is the 12th rib. So 8, 10, 12. So mid-clavicular, axillary and the paraventricular. Next is lower border of the lung. So this includes the mid-clavicular, axillary and the paraventricular. So mid-clavicular, then the axillary and the paraventricular. So this includes the 6, 10, 8 and the 10th rib respectively. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.